All right, let's talk about the game changer of our time, AI, artificial intelligence. This isn't just a buzzword anymore, my dude. It's transforming the way that we do business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, or even an employee, AI tools can take your business to a level that you never thought was possible. But here's the thing, man. Most people are still sleeping on it. It's crazy, right? Today, I'm gonna show you how to harness the power of AI to grow your business, make smarter decisions, faster decisions, grow it faster, and ultimately make more money, baby. So let's go back a few years ago. When I first started out, everything was manual. I was buried in spreadsheets, trying to make sense of data, running ads based on guesswork, and spending tons of hours on tasks that barely moved the freaking needle. I thought that's just like how business was done. You know, grind it out, thug it out, hustle harder. But then something drastically changed. I realized that no matter how hard I worked, how many employees that I had, I was stuck in the same cycle, overwhelmed, overworked, and honestly, not seeing the results I wanted. And that's when I started hearing about artificial intelligence. And at first, dude, I didn't pay much attention to it, just like a lot of you guys. And I avoided the actual hard work of learning this thing because I thought it was like figuring out a maze. I mean, AI, that's for tech geeks, right? And I didn't think it would blow up the way it did. But as I started to dig deeper, I realized I was completely wrong and I had to adapt to this new tool immediately or else I was going to be left behind. It's kind of like when internet first came around, a lot of people doubted it, and then the people who really thrived and were able to make great opportunities out of it and get way ahead, like light years ahead, were the people that believed in it. Now, AI wasn't just for Silicon Valley, guys. It was for people like me, like you, for people who are working jobs. It's like the new Google now. It's for entrepreneurs and for people who are hungry to grow faster and smarter and more profitable with a more lean, mean machine of a business. I mean, literally, it has cut my expenses for payroll down by at least 25%. And I know businesses that are cutting their expenses on payroll down to like 50% because they're so good at AI. So I had to take the plunge. My mentor kept talking about it. I'm like, dude, I need to get on top of this thing. I started experimenting with, tools like ChatGPT. And let me tell you, this was the turning point. The first AI tool that I used, a simple chatbot for customer service. It was like having an employee who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and can handle 1,000 conversations at the snap of a finger. Suddenly, I wasn't just reacting to problems, I was staying way ahead of the curve. But the real magic happened when I started using AI for marketing. Imagine running ads that practically optimize themselves, or creating content that's tailored to exactly what your audience wants to see or hear. It was like having a crystal ball showing me where to focus my efforts and where to pull back. And here's the epiphany moment that I had. I realized that AI isn't about replacing human effort, although it does. It's about amplifying it. It's like giving your brain like a superpower, like a pill, like a steroid. I started using AI for everything, predicting trends, analyzing customer behavior, even personalizing the customer experience in ways that felt almost, well, human. And it almost seems like a cheat code to the game of business and just dealing with human interaction. That's when it all hit me, that AI isn't just a tool. It is the future of entrepreneurship. And those who leverage it now, while it's still kind of early, they're the ones who are going to dominate in the years to come. Just think about a 50-year-old trying to learn social media right now who's from back in the dinosaur ages, trying to figure it out. They're like, I don't know how to post stories. I don't know how to do this. Versus kids that grow up on social media, it's all second nature to them. So it's the same thing here. All right, so now that you get the power of AI, let's talk about how you can start using it in your business today. First up, the AI-powered marketing platforms like ChatGPT, Go High Level, and Jasper. These are tools that can analyze massive amounts of data and tell you exactly who to target, what to say, and when to say it. It's like having a marketing and sales genius on your team 24/7. And they say the businesses that grow fast are the businesses that have talent. The perfect example is I use this whole entire framework of this video right here in the layout using ChatGPT. But here's the thing, you have to play around with the prompts and you have to use it now, because what ChatGPT starts to do is it starts to analyze you as a human and it starts to learn your brand voice. That way there, it doesn't sound robotic. At first, it can be a bit robotic because you don't know what to feed it, but over time of of using it, you start to learn how to prompt it properly. And also it starts to learn more about you. It's kind of insane. I'll also use ChatGPT or Jasper to script some of my ads. And I'm talking about these ads have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. And sometimes it won't be perfect, so you got to use your own creative touch, but it just jumps you ahead like 50% of the learning curve. Versus 10 years ago, if you weren't an expert copywriter, you would have to hire a copywriter to script your ads and put the captions. I also use it to make decisions with my ads sometimes when I'm a little bit uncertain what to do. I simply enter the data in there and it will tell me which direction to go. Next, let's talk about content creation. Again, using ChatGPT, which is my favorite AI of all time. Yes, again, the same technology I'm using right now can help you not just generate ideas, it can write scripts, it can spy on your competitors, it can analyze data from websites, and even create social media posts that resonate with your audience. Imagine cutting your content creation time in half while doubling your output. And it doesn't stop there. I'm like a beginner in the AI game. There's guys that are crushing it with AI. They're doing things that are way above my pay grade, right? So listen, AI can help you with customer service, sales forecasting, and even product development. I literally created my whole school group using AI. The key is to start small, right? Just pick one area of your business that can use a nice little boost and start experimenting with AI tools. Use it every day. Over time, you'll get better and better and better. Trust me, the results will speak for themselves. I'm not just talking theory here. These tools have helped my business grow exponentially. We've seen higher conversion rates, better customer retention, and more efficient operations across the entire board. And it's not just me. Other entrepreneurs are seeing similar and even better results than me. People who are struggling to break even are now hitting their revenue goals in record time. And here's the best part. Once you start using AI, it doesn't just improve your business, it frees you up to focus on what you're truly passionate about, whether that's scaling, innovating, or just enjoying the life you've worked so hard to build. Look, AI isn't going anywhere, my dude. If anything, it's only going to become more integral to how we do business. The entrepreneurs who embrace it now will be the ones leading the charge tomorrow. The future of entrepreneurship isn't just about, working your balls off. It's also about working smart, man. And there's nothing smarter than using AI to do the heavy lifting for you. So listen, are you ready to embrace the future and capitalize off this? Are you ready to use AI to take your business to the next level? Because the tools are out there and they're waiting for you. The only question is, are you going to take advantage of them? Now, because you stuck around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you an AI bot that I created myself that will literally script your next 30 reels 100% for free, and the next 30 after that, and the next 30 after that. It's literally so easy to do that a 10-year-old can start a content business right now. All you have to do is go in the description, click the little link, and it'll take you to the ChatGPT that I created myself. And if this was helpful, man, show some love. I'm dropping so much value for you guys. Drop a comment with the word ready below just so I can get some more engagement and get this shown to more people if you're ready to start leveraging AI in your business. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies on how to grow smarter, faster, and stronger.